Banga soup. So this is my banga, my palm fruit extract here, banga soup. So I'm just going to allow it to come to boil. Then I'll start putting all the ingredients. So it's boiling already, and this is a combination of blended crayfish, banga spices, Cameroon pepper, and Banga fish. So I'm just going to pour that inside. So yeah. Then I'll add the bomo. So guys, time to add my egusi, just very little. So this egusi will serve as thickener in the soup. Oh my. Time to go in with the salted.
Yes. There's no double. No, I love WhatsApp. For WhatsApp, I'm not checking. Yeah. Happy birthday. And the issue happy birthday not fast now. I see something that for this, not for Facebook or something. I saw that for Facebook. Your phone number again. Your phone number. Why not? Your phone number. With your phone. Yeah. Okay.
So guys, the soup is ready. So yummy, so demure, so spectacular, so sweet and delicious.